Okay, here's this Grand Prix I'm working on. Another rusty but trusty wheel. More than a little rusty too. Shut the door here. It's got a plastic cover that goes around the bottom, and I took the cover off already. And then cover's behind me. I set it on the floor. And then these brackets. These brackets right here, they hold those covers on, and I'll pull the bracket off of here. And, you can see the bracket's pretty rotten too, but I got some ideas how I'm going to patch that up. But as you can see, the rocker's pretty rotten, and I got to patch all that up, which I've done a lot of. But it's pretty much like the other side's pretty much the same way. Of course, I don't have enough hands, but and then I made I made a small patch for each side already. Let's see if I can hold the camera here, or my iPad here, and hold it up with the other hand. Yeah, see, here's another patch. This is gonna go in like this. I gotta trim it, of course, to make it fit. And see, what I could do is grind those heads off and use screws, but those bolts, the threads are in pretty decent shape on it yet. And then, of course, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make that. See, it's all. See, what someone did is they put a jack under there and tried to lift the car up and bent the snot out of that. So I got to fix that up too. But anyway, I'll shut this off and I'll start it again. So okay, here I got the patches made pretty much for that's the two patches I'm gonna patch up the bottom of that fender with that blue one, and then this one here, the white one. You can see my lighting isn't very good in here, but I'll see if I can hold that at the same time. Where am I? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna, this is all rotten here, and I'm gonna pull that out, and I'm gonna weld that on the back, and then that goes on the front, and then, like I say, it's kind of dark in here. But there's the patch that I made for this side. It's not welded yet. But I gotta do a little trimming, but you can see the patch isn't quite tall enough. I'll have to figure something out for that. But I'll get this out of the way here. Like I say, I'm gonna do a little more trimming around here, and then that. But I'll go around the other side. I got the other side welded. Got my helper in the way. He likes to be in the way. But he's a good dog, though. But yeah, this side's welded. Yeah, the bottom of this fender wasn't quite as bad as the bottom of the fender on the other side, but yeah, she's welded in here now on the right hand side, and I got to a lot of work. And then, like I say, I got to weld the other side yet, and maybe bond it up a little bit, and get it painted. So. Okay, here I got this thing welded, and I found out that I like it better with, I've been bondoing these up when I do them, but now I found out that I like it better with seam sealer instead of bondo, because it's a lot quicker, and it does a nicer job, I think. Yeah, here's the brackets that hold the rubber thing on underneath, and so I got to I don't know, I'll have to rig something up. The other side, I'll bring the camera over there. Well, like I say, My camera doesn't like it being so dark in here, but I'll bring the trouble light over here and see if we can get that to work any better. Okay, now, see, there's my trouble light, and this seems to help with the. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, yeah, here's the bracket. I got the bracket on here, and you can see the bracket's pretty rotten, but part of this was gone, so you can see that I put a couple of screws in there where the bolts were sticking out. That should hold it on. But the other side, that bracket's way worse. You can see that screw up there, you can see. And it's pretty rotten underneath too on that bracket, but I don't know, maybe a guy could even order a new bracket, but they're probably $100, but I don't